Strengthening Faith 88. I had a thought which I wanted to share. One of the powerful weapons the devil uses in order to misguide people is to beautify an element of this world in order to create a fantasy which looks appealing. Chapter 16 An-Nahl, verse 63.
By Allah, we did certainly send messengers to nations before you, but Satan made their deeds attractive to them.
When a person observes others, the devil will take a snapshot of that moment and beautify it in such a way that the person creates a whole fantasy world from it in their mind. For example, a person will observe a family who took a selfie while on holiday, and this single moment is taken out of context by the person so that it distracts from obeying Allah, the Exalted, which involves using the blessings He has granted them in ways pleasing to Him. For example, they might get jealous of the family and their moment of happiness on their holiday. Jealousy always leads to other negative traits such as bitterness. It may also cause them to belittle the good things Allah, the Exalted, has granted them. The one who behaves in this manner can never be grateful to Allah, the Exalted. The beautification process can also encourage them to strive to adopt the lifestyle which has been created in their imagination. This often causes one to misuse the blessings they have been granted. It causes them to strive for the material world beyond their needs, and causes them to neglect their responsibilities and duties. This always leads to stress and even sins. This in turn will prevent one from preparing adequately for the Day of Judgment, which involves fulfilling the commands of Allah, the Exalted, refraining from His prohibitions and facing destiny with patience according to the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. These are just some examples of what occurs when one falls for the devil's trick. A Muslim should always remember that as they are looking at a moment from another person's life, they can never understand the difficulties and stresses they are facing. They merely see a small, narrow and exterior aspect of a situation which is very often misleading. For example, the family taking the selfie may well be hating their holiday and spending time with each other and only smile for the photo they have taken. A photo does not reveal the difficulties of family life. A Muslim must always remember that Allah, the Exalted, gives each person what is best for them, even if this is not obvious to them. Chapter 2 Al-Baqarah, verse 216.
But perhaps you hate a thing and it is good for you, and perhaps you love a thing and it is bad for you. And Allah knows while you know not.
They should therefore concentrate on using the blessings they have been granted in ways pleasing to Allah, the Exalted, as their peace and success in both worlds lies in this. It does not lie in pursuing a fantasy concocted by the devil from a single moment of someone else's life. Chapter 16 An-Nahl, verse 97.
Whoever does righteousness, whether male or female, while he is a believer, we will surely cause him to live a good life, and we will surely give them their reward in the hereafter according to the best of what they used to do.
Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shakepod.com.